guys, it's James C here, and this is the day, or this is the video of my big bike reveal. So, no second to the last video ko, nabanggit ko doon na parang siguro 2 months pa ako bago magkaroon ng bagong bike. Well, medyo hindi nangyari yun eh, kasi after 2 days meron na akong bago eh. Diba? Sobrang what the f*** ako doon, no? Pero since nangyari yun, kwento ko lang kung paano nangyari. So of course, in our group, meron kaming mga tambay nights or tambikes. So I decided to join one tambikes, pero nakakotse ako, so buti pwede. Pwede naman syempre. Then boom, yun, pagkadating ko, may na-offer silang bike doon sa isang tropa ko na naka-NK din, pero hindi niya kinuha kasi hindi pa nga daw siya ready or something. And then boom, edi next, siyempre sa akin na na-offer, sa tropa din. So yung tropa ko sa grupo, na tropa niya, yun nag-offer nun. So tinawagan namin, and then yun, nagka-close deal kami kaagad. Din kinabukasan, which is the second day of walang NK400, kinuha ko na kaagad yung bike kasi sayang yung opportunity. So yun, nakuha ko nga, and then boom, for 400cc, naging 1000cc bike. So without further ado, this is my new bike. Didin. So yun guys, so yung bike na nakuha ko is a GSX 1000. So sobrang ganda niya, promise guys. The only thing na wala, or I think na hindi na check sa list ko with the GSX 1000R was the slipper clutch. Well, galing tayo sa NK400, sanay tayo sa patigas na clutch. So, and of course, matututunan mo naman yan eh, since it's your bike eh. So you'll be using it twice or thrice a week, so masasanay ka, diba? But for the GSX, you have the traction control, upshift, and of course the 1000cc bike, which is grabe, sobrang smooth yung power delivery niya. That's it for my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe with my channel. Thank you very much once again. This is James C. Ciao. Ciao, wow. Serisak. Sige guys. So bago pala i-end yung video, let's do a sound check of my bike. So as of now, naka D-cut lang siya, but it has a SE Project pipe. So I think yung SE naman, ano lang to eh, copy lang siya, pero okay lang kasi same lang naman sounds nila siguro eh. So this is it. This is, by the way, this is a 4-cylinder. So galing ka sa 2-cylinder, so medyo malaki yung difference nya. Tayo natin minute yung makina, medyo malamig pa eh. That's the sound of the, so yan na yung sound ng 4-cylinder. So enjoy guys. So sige, see you next time. Abangan nyo yung next video ko. So not sure pa kung ano i-upload ko doon, pero that's it. Thank you very much. Salamat guys.